Insiders. Oh my goodness, I feel like today is absolutely flying by. I cannot believe it's already 5 o'clock. And I also feel like August is flying by. Like, what the heck? Next week is September. Is that blowing anyone else's mind? I mean, I just don't even know where this year is going. So I wanted to hop on here really quickly because there is something really exciting that I have not talked about nearly enough, and I'm honestly doing you guys a disservice by not sharing this great offer that is ending in just a couple of days. So I do want to hop on here in a little bit. I probably later this week will show you some of my favorite styles from the sale, styled with different outfits and stuff like that. I'm actually wearing some of them now, and one of them is this scarf that I'm wearing, this really cute Bianca tee. So there are so many great pieces. I'm gonna share some images of a couple of my favorites later tonight. If you see something that you love, make sure that you go ahead and grab it now before it's too late. You can get in on the mystery hostess link and get entered to win all of those freebies as well, along with getting such a great deal. But the reason why it's so great is because you get that added savings. So if you pick 2 sale items, you're gonna get an extra 15% off. If you grab 3 sale items, you're gonna get an extra 20% off. So crazy good savings. If you see a couple things that you love, that would be great to grab now and be able to enjoy for next summer, some of those more summery pieces. But there's also some great pieces that are great for fall, or even good gift ideas. So go ahead and scoop those pieces up if you love them. But what I really wanted to talk to you guys about is our crazy style kit, which you can actually get for free through the end of August. So I know it's crazy that I haven't talked about it yet, but I'm trying to mend my ways before it is too late. There are a couple more days to get in on this, and I'm gonna share all the deets with you right now. So the style kit is our new way that you can join as a rep for Stella & Dot. It is the best offer that we've ever had. It's only $149 to join, and with that $149 you get so much value. So you get to pick out 6 items. Basically the system will walk you through, and you're gonna pick like a top, a delicate necklace, a bag, blah 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 blah. It goes through and you pick out the items, and you're choosing from all best sellers. So you get to customize it for what you like, but you know that you're choosing from the best of the best, top selling pieces that are gonna be in stock. It's not something that we're about to retire or something like that. So you get this really great assortment of items that you get to wear. You get to share it with your friends and family, and you also get your website for free for 60 days. So what does that mean? That means you would have your own Stella & Dot website, that when you get a compliment on one of those cute pieces that you're wearing, you can send someone to your website. You have digital tools to let you send a cart to someone through a text message. So you can share Stella & Dot on the go. You can share it with friends and family. You can share it on your social platforms. If you have a blog, you can share it as an affiliate link in your blog. And you can also do style sessions, whether that's virtually or in person, by getting a group of women together and sharing Stella & Dot with them. And then when they shop, of course, the hostess gets rewards, and that's all paid for by Stella & Dot. So it doesn't cost you anything. And the rewards are really, really rich for your hostess to get that really great thank you for helping you spread the Stella & Dot style. Okay, so that's all for $149, but like I said, you can actually get it for free in the month of August. So when you join, you get that style kit. Side note, you also get 50% off of the entire collection for your first 30 days. So you pick those best sellers, but if there's other stuff that you love, you can grab that. We have these cute things called style sets that you can also add on to your style kit that are some of the more trend ideas that are up to 60% off. So you get to totally build it out however you want to. You get to invest however much you want, whether it's because you want to really build a profitable business or because you really just want a fashion fix for a great discount and you want to be able to wear it and share it. It's your choice. But when you get that $149, you get your style kit, and in your first 30 days, I'm gonna help you sell your first $1,000 When you do that, you get a rebate of that $149. You also are getting sales commissions on that $1,000 that you've sold, 25%, you guys. So you're earning $250, you're getting a $149 rebate, and you're earning free product as part of our new stylist incentive program. If $1,000 sounds intimidating, don't worry, you guys. It's basically your first 10 orders. I will teach you how to do it. I will walk you through it every step of the way. I've been doing this for 6 years, and I can definitely help you with that. But you guys, seriously, you can do all of that and get started for free, and then you have $250 in your pocket. You have all this cute new style, and you have this totally flexible gig that you can do whatever you want with it. So if you are curious about that, I would love to share more with you. Again, today's Tuesday, and this runs through Saturday, so I would love to give you some more information, hop on the phone and talk to you about it. Again, I don't want to convince you to do it if you're not really interested, but if you are curious and you think you might want to earn a couple extra $100 over the next couple months, let's chat about it. What do you have to lose? We might as well see if it would be a good fit for you and see if it's something that could really add some benefits into your life. So let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, shoot me a DM. Let me know what you're thinking, and I would love to share a little bit more information. So thanks for tuning in and checking this out. Again, I'm going to share some more about the sale later tonight, so stay tuned for some of my top picks. But I hope that you guys are having a great day, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I will talk to y'all later.